4 years ago, we identified that we needed to increase our exposure in the Pittsburgh area.
Fitting Group came to our attention because we had seen some of their ads and thought that they had some creative edge that might help us.
Dr. Albert and Dr. Kubik, two of the best infertility doctors anywhere, but especially in our region, they left the healthcare system altogether and established a freestanding, full-service fertility clinic.
They knew that they had something special in their organization, so they came to Fitting Group to find a way to show it visually and also to communicate it verbally.
Fitting Group was also a challenger brand, and so they kind of talked about their experience with us, and that seemed to fit with what we were looking for.
We started, of course, with the brand spanking workshop, as we always do, to get to understand their business, understand how to position them in the marketplace against the market leader.
What RHS had been doing that they hadn't really put words around yet was this holistic approach.
We worked with them to develop marketing materials, a marketing campaign, a brand.
When everybody was polled during the workshops, one of the things that we felt we did very well was the warmth and relationships that we would develop that should be featured in kind of a naturalistic way.
We actually have a two-layered approach. When we're doing advertising and we're trying to get people's attention, we tend to use babies, but we use them in an unusual way.
We love the idea of the baby bus. It wasn't some nebulous concept of a baby. These were babies that really had been born as a result of some aid on our part.
Once they follow through with an action and they go to the website or they call or they request information from RHS, we sort of pull the baby imagery out of everything we do from that point forward.
Constantly throwing the image of a baby in the face of our patients was not what we wanted to do, because it perhaps reminded them of what they didn't have. The flower motif and our logo sort of grew out of that. It still represents the idea of growing and some aspect of reproduction without having that constant image of the baby.
It's been 3 years, almost 4 now, and we've had great success.
Since we've been associated with Fitting Group, we have seen an increase in our patient contacts, and we feel that there is a greater awareness of our practice.
The most impressive thing about working with Fitting Group has been the creative aspect of it.
It was really fun from the beginning. They're wonderful people.
We've always been able to identify something that, not that we just like or we're satisfied with, we really are excited about it.
One of the great parts about working with RHS is that we're really connecting people to a means of making their dreams come true. And just being a part of that connection is really meaningful.